Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are reviewing intent tanks for sauna stoves. We present two modifications: updated tank for 12 liters and our novelty tank for 10 liters. Let us take a closer look at them. Updated tank. So, what has changed in it? Now it is made of brushed stainless steel. It looks very interesting. The welding technology has changed. It's now laser welded. As you can see from the edge, it's done very neatly. They added a carrying handle. Although the tank comes with a case with the same handle, we decided to make it additionally on the tank itself. We slightly modified the filler neck. Now it has... the lid slides off. It is located on the tank and you will not lose it. On the side there is a branded engraving intent. They also changed the faucet. It is now a one-piece construction. It used to be a brass faucet and a corner was made. Now it's all one piece. You can clean the faucet if it gets clogged for any reason. It's very easy to do. You unscrew the spout, clean it out and screw it back on. The handle of the faucet itself is lined with heat-resistant rubber. Now you will not get burned if you close the faucet. The opening and closing marks are also present. The diameter of the chimney is 90 millimeters. We will move on to our novelty. The new tank has a rectangular shape with rounded corners. So we've reduced the overall dimensions, but kept the volume quite large, 10 liters. As you can see, these tanks, dimensions differ from each other, but the difference in volume is only 2 liters. The peculiarity of this tank is a plastic plug on the filler neck. It is hermetically sealed, so you can use the tank as a canister for transportation of different liquids. When using the tank for water heating, you must remove the plastic plug because, I repeat, it is hermetically sealed. The tank creates a lot of pressure, and in order not to get damaged when using the tank, the plug must be removed. We also have a carrying handle on the top. The tank comes with a carrying case. The faucet is made similar to the previous one, a one-piece faucet with a spout and a filter to clean the spout. The diameter of the chimney is 90 millimeters. It will also fit most sauna stoves. Another distinctive feature of these tanks is that they have a flat bottom. As you can see, there are no pipes sticking out as in traditional tanks, neither from the top nor from the bottom. Included with the tank is an adapter. First you install the first segment of the chimney, then put the adapter and then install the tank on top. During transportation, the adapter fits perfectly into the furnace. You can read a detailed description and order these tanks by clicking on the link in the description.